I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my MRM L-Carnitine supplement. I started taking this L-Carnitine supplement because I needed more energy and I wanted to become more health conscious and proactive about my nutrition. So what I love about this L-Carnitine supplement is its orange vanilla flavor. It tastes just like an orange sickle pop. It just tastes so good, and so it doesn't have a nasty taste to it. I'm able to take it every day. I usually just take a tablespoon of it in the morning. This is one of those 2-for-1 supplements because the CoQ10 helps with my energy production and the L-carnitine helps with my metabolism. So whenever I need an energy boost, that's when I usually take this. So if you're looking for a convenient way to try to enhance your energy levels, give this a try. And that's my point of view.